Hey guys, I'm Matt Mead. I'm the visual storyteller at BombBomb, and today I want to talk about the SwitchPod. I don't think this has officially shipped yet, but I got this pre-release version at VidSummit a couple weeks ago, and it's really designed for vloggers, but I want to talk about it as a tool for someone who's shooting a lot of BombBomb videos. By the way, if you don't have a BombBomb account, you can get your free trial in the link. Do that. The beautiful thing about BombBomb is that you literally don't need anything to shoot great videos. I shoot most of my videos just on my phone with nothing else, but if you're someone who likes to try new things and try different ways of shooting, then this thing's pretty nifty. They call this the minimalist handheld tripod. So this part here is the SwitchPod. I put a phone mount on it. You can put any kind of mount on it and hold really any kind of camera. A nice thing about using the SwitchPod with your iPhone 11 wide-angle lens is that all you have to do is hold it like this and it's perfect framing. Like, this is effortless. Like, you could do this all day. You could just walk around all day shooting BombBomb videos like this because it's so easy. By the way, if you missed the video I did on the iPhone's wide-angle lens, go back and check that out. You'll notice right away one of the nice things about the SwitchPod is the grip. It just feels right. It feels good in the hand. It feels way better than one of these mini Gorilla Pods or a selfie stick. It has this here. You can take a look here. It's got some nice grooves manufactured in there for your fingers, so it just makes it really easy to hold. Also, if you can see, it has some padding on the base, so when you turn it to tripod mode, set it down on the table, it doesn't make like that super loud metallic noise. You definitely hear a little bit of a metallic noise when you close it. So if you're recording a video, you're sitting at your desk in tripod mode, then you stand up, switch to handheld, you're gonna get a little bit of sound from that. Here's an example of a BombBomb video using the SwitchPod, starting in the handheld mode, sitting down using the tripod mode, and then getting back up and going back to handheld. Hey, Rocco. Hey, I'm so sorry you couldn't make our meeting. I totally understand. I still had a great time by myself, and I'm looking forward to trying again next Monday. I'll see you then, hopefully. Don't spin. But if you have to spin, I recommend using this. And if you want an ultra-wide perspective using your iPhone 11 wide-angle lens, check this out. I mean, for walk and talk videos, that's pretty cool. We're in the middle of moving around a bunch of stuff here. You can see there's stuff everywhere. So the SwitchPod should be available soon at B&H Photo for $99. If you can't get a hold of the SwitchPod, still make sure to grab a selfie stick online somewhere. A lot of the new ones actually have tripods that extend out of the base, so you can still prop it up on a desk, record your video. Maybe not quite as efficient as a SwitchPod, but it'll still get the job done. The GorillaPod is still a great option as a handheld tripod. It's just a little more cumbersome as you're trying to transition from handheld to putting it on your desk. You gotta make sure all the legs are evenly extended, and then once you set it down, you gotta make sure the head is balanced, and it just takes a little more time. Whereas with the SwitchPod, you just grab and go. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and if you don't have a BombBomb account, get your free trial, and if you get the chance, check out the SwitchPod.